Hello learners, welcome back to the mini-series of Ministers of Connection, that is preposition. Today we will learn about the prepositions of location or place. Preposition of location or place shows where the noun is, a place, person or a thing. It answers the question where it is. From the basic elementary level to the universities in academics and in competitive examination to learning spoken English, prepositions are everywhere. So let's start how preposition of location or place is used in writing or speaking English. The common preposition of location or places are on the screen. As the level gets higher in academics, the context of use of preposition becomes more formal and precise. But first, we will learn the basics. No, I'm not here to record myself reading books all the day with a cup of coffee, but I'll show you how the preposition works. When I put this pen inside this cup, it is in the cup. The pen is in the cup because it is inside the cup. When I take out this pen out of the cup and put it on the table, the pen is on the table. When I pick up the book and place it on the pen is under the book. When I put the cup beside the pen, I'm telling the pen is beside the cup, or the pen is next to the cup. Great. If you have recognized these prepositions with me, then let's move forward towards some more commonly used prepositions. Let me share my screen with you. So here on the screen you will see there are some images and they are saying a particular position of an object. So let's recognize those positions, those locations or the place of that object. The chair is in front of the TV. Here, the chair is ahead of the TV. The bag is behind the chair. Here the bag is at the back of the chair. The lamp is between the sofa and the table. Here the lamp is placed in the middle. The school is near my house. Here the school is not far from my house, or it is close to my house. The picture is above the sofa. The picture is in the higher level from the sofa, but not touching the sofa. The shoes are below the bed. The shoes are at the lower level from the bed. The fan is rotating over my head. Here over is used to make you understand the horizontal movement of a particular object. Box. The cat is inside the box. The cat is within the boundaries of the box. The kids are outside the house. The kids are beyond the boundaries of the house. Park. The bank is opposite the park. The bank faces the park directly. The trees are around the house. The house is surrounded by the trees. Let's practice together. My phone is dash the table. My phone is on the table. The window is dash me. The window is behind me. The bag is dash the chair. The bag is under the chair. Now try to answer from the picture. Where is the cat? Tell me, where is the cat in picture number 1? The cat is under the table. Where is the cat in picture number 2? The cat is on the table. Where is the cat in picture number 3? The cat is in the box. Where is the cat in picture number 4? The cat is behind the sofa. Where is the cat in picture number 5? The cat is between the pillows. On your screen, you are having a diagram of all the prepositions of location or place, and in the description box you will find a free PDF notes on this class. So go get that. Do like, share and comment to boost me up and to get more real English learning tips. Subscribe.